Good morning, everyone. Now, once you have your application ready to use, once we'll have the complete refresh data. So, whenever we want to work on the system, I guess the first rule which we have to follow that I have to click on the lead section. Once I click on the lead section, automatically all my leads view will get in place. If I quickly want to make a call, then I just need to swipe and I just need to press the call button, and automatically this call button will connect to the customer. If I want to see the details like the history of what other discussion I had with the end customer, so I can just go inside and then I can just move my screen and I can see that. Here if you see lead stage, if I speak with the customer and if I want to make the changes, I can directly select any of the option and automatically my lead stage is going to get changed. Okay, same way if I want to add any particular note, so I can just write here. I can directly write. If I want to add any particular task, so I can create a task like this. I can just set up a reminder and task, I can create the task. If I want to, just a second, if I also want to message the end customer on a WhatsApp, I can just swipe and I can press on the WhatsApp. If I want to add any activity or anything like that, so I can do it from here. Like if I want to create a site visit, so I'll get a specific form. I can just update the project name, I can update the site visit type, I can update the confirmation and select my different executives, and then I can just directly go and set up the reminder, and then I can create a site visit also. Okay, so that's how you can create a site visit into the system. Okay.